Hello viewers, as an extension to the topic anthropology through vocabulary under Sosin classes, we are now picking up another very interesting term called cyborg anthropology. It's a very contemporary one that has emerged in about 2009-2010. All credit goes to this very popular lady anthropologist Amber Case, who had defined cyborgs and cyborg anthropology as such. This is that discipline which appreciates the emergence of technologies and how technology has influenced humans. If anthropology is seen as that discipline which studies the cultures across the world and examining why people do what they do, as you can see in the picture, you can see Malinowski interacting with the Trobriand Islanders. Cyborg anthropology has changed the subject matter of anthropology. Of course, it still studies culture, but not because of the cultural interaction with other cultures, but it is the interaction of technology culture with the human culture. So technology seems to be pervading into not simply the physical sphere of the human, it is also now a very active part of the mental sphere. So it is now an extension of the mental sphere, as we can see that we are surrounded every moment by various kinds of gadgets. The gadgets and the technology has pervaded all aspects of human life. It has, of course, become very easy now to be connected with the people across the world in the shortest period of time. So one can exist at different places at different points of time simultaneously. So you can see that it's a very beautiful way of understanding technology and human interface. So you can see the extension of these studies in the later videos. Thank you. Keep watching.